Turn on the light of your skin. Discover Lab Radiance, Bruno Vassari's new and innovative line that brings back the skin's natural brightness and restores its healthy appearance. It is the first line where the main active ingredient has been exclusively developed by the technical department of the brand. With a distinct identity, this active ingredient has been created by Bruno Vassari to offer an exclusive line of cosmetic products to fight against the lack of brightness and the dull and devitalized skin. Preceded by 2 years of research and development, and with the collaboration of InDermal, cutting-edge biotechnological company, Pro-Radiance Active has been formulated with a combination of 2 molecules, the results of which are extraordinary on the skin. The Ellagic Acid, a polyphenol that provides a great brightening and homogenizing effect of the cutaneous tone, and the Stellight, which restores brightness and clarity, providing a skin free of imperfections, achieving a radiant beauty. In addition, Pro-Radiance Active has been created with a state-of-the-art release system into the deep epidermis, deep delivery system by InDermal, which enables a deep penetration, reaching the different targets of the skin more effectively and optimizing its effects and results, providing a younger and more radiant skin. The products of this line have been formulated with the greatest care to obtain the best results on the skin. Brightness Reveal Cream, Illuminating Eye Contour, Instant Glow Beauty, and Pro-Radiance Global System have been developed to reveal the natural brightness of the skin, unify the tone, and recover its vitality. The passing of time cannot be stopped, but we can slow down its effects on our skin. Reveal the natural brightness of your skin. Turn on the light of your skin. Lab Radiance, Bruno Vassari.